Yo, what is up, guys? I'm back with another video, and I'm going to be doing a pack opening. Wait, a replays pack opening. Here we go. I accidentally opened up the first pack. This is our first pack, luck. We got some, well, I'll say just like some, I'll take it. I'll take it. Next pack. Oh my gosh, 90 Tavon Austin, let's go. Oh, Bobby, I just got a 90 overall Tavon Austin in my pack opening. Next pack. I'll take that. I'll just take. That was a sick pull. Just an 86. 7. Okay. I'll take that. Yeah, what'd you get, Bobby? Sorry, I'm talking to Bobby. What'd you get, Bobby? Oh my god. You got a good pull there. Let's go. I just got another strong safety. I just got a strong safety in my pack opening. That's just... Here comes the topper pack. I'm not going to show you guys who I get. Let's go, dude. 92 Martellus Bennett. Bobby, I just got a 92 Martellus Bennett in this pack opening. I'm going to go make my lineup better, guys. Okay. What? 86 for World. Wait, let me just, no, not yet. One thing. Let me just do one thing quick. What? Wait.